I'm Adriana, and this is Cooking with Adriana. Hi everyone, and thank you for joining me today on Cooking with Adriana. Looking for a fun and simple recipe for you and your kids to prepare? Look no further. Today we'll be making barbecue chicken sheet pan pizza. Gather up the kids to make their own barbecue chicken pizza and have it for lunch with a refreshing beverage on one of these hot summer nights. As always, adult supervision is required. For today's recipe, you will need the following ingredients: 1 pound of pizza dough or pizza crust at room temperature, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 cups of cooked shredded chicken, 1 cup of barbecue sauce, 1.5 cups of shredded mozzarella cheese divided, 1/2 red onion, and 1 jalapeno, which is optional. Okay, let's begin. Have an adult preheat the oven to 450 degrees. Stretch the dough onto the baking sheet. Place the dough in the center of the baking sheet and drizzle with oil. Turn the dough to coat it well, spreading some of the oil over the baking sheet. Gradually stretch the dough until it reaches the edges of the baking sheet, being careful not to rip any holes in the dough. If it springs back or is difficult to stretch, this usually means that the dough is too cold. To remedy this, cover the dough with plastic wrap and let it rest for 10 minutes before continuing. All right, let's keep going. Mix the shredded chicken and barbecue sauce together in a bowl. Then spread the mixture evenly over the pizza dough, leaving a little bit of a border around the pizza. Now I'm going to thinly slice half an onion. Now I'm going to thinly slice a jalapeno. Sprinkle evenly with 2/3 of the cheese. Scatter the red onions, and if you want to add a little spicy kick, you can add the jalapenos. Finally, sprinkle the remaining cheese. Now it's ready to bake. Set the sheet on lowest shelf of the oven and bake for about 15 minutes until the cheese melts and the pizza is golden brown. Cut it up and serve it hot. And here we have it, barbecue chicken sheet pan pizza. Let's grab a slice and have a taste. It's pretty darn good. Thanks for joining me again on Cooking with Adriana. Be sure to follow us for more cooking adventures. Until next time, stay connected, stay active, and stay engaged.